Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuit dining table, updated. Start by measuring and planning your table dimensions, then select hardwood or quality plywood for strength and aesthetics. Prepare a list of tools like a biscuit joiner, clamps, wood glue, and sandpaper. Lay out all pieces on a flat workspace, check join locations, and mark cut lines carefully to ensure clean, accurate assembly for a solid dining table. Clamp pieces loosely and test fit biscuits first to confirm alignment before gluing. Apply a thin bead of glue into each slot and on the biscuit, then slide biscuits into position and bring mating edges together. Use corner clamps or a caul clamp to maintain square and even pressure, wiping excess glue with a damp cloth as you go to prevent staining the wood surface before sanding and finishing. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for a lifetime warranty and cozy comfort during late-night shake making. I wear mine while testing kitchen recipes, and they really hold up. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.